ready to wave and we'll sing our song, Hello Everybody. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's thumbs up. Can you do your thumbs up? Or your A-OK? I know you can. Hello everybody, and how are you? How are you? Hello everybody, and how are you today? Your thumbs up and A-OK. Get your hands ready. We'll start out medium fast. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. That was good. And I bet you can do it faster. Let's do it faster. Clap, clap, clap. Swish, swish, swish. Roll, roll, roll. And tickle, tickle, tickle. All right. Nicely done. And how shall we do it next? Shall we do the super sneaky, quiet clapping? I think that's everybody's favorite. Let's try it. Yay! I knew you could do it. You guys have been practicing so much. Are you ready to do open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. And you remember the creepy crawl, then goes down to your knees. A little tap, tap, tap. Let's sing together. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creepy crawl them right down to your knees, knees, knees. Give your knees a little tap, then right back to your lap, lap, lap. Let's go a little faster. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Oh, very good. And there's one more song we have to sing before Miss Cindy comes with her book for story time. Can you get your books ready with your hands? And then think about reading your story. You can make any story up when you're reading your story, your pretend story. This is the way we read our books, read our books, read our books. This is the way we read our books so early in the morning.
Hi, Storytimers. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day this summertime. It's Miss Cindy here, and I want to share a book with you today about going to the beach. Do you like to go to the beach? I sure do. Well, this book, Beach Day. Patricia Lakin wrote this book about a family of alligators who decide to have a beach day. Let's see what happens to them. Hot, said Sam. It is hot. Summertime is hot. They're drinking lemonade, but they're still hot. Can you say that word with me? Hot. Sunny, said Pam. Sweaty, said Will. Swim, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Swimsuits, said Sam. Sun hats, said Pam. Sunblock, said Will. Sunglasses, said Jill. Those are all things you need at the beach. We're off, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They have a bicycle that can seat 4 people. or 4 alligators anyway. Look, said Sam. A park, said Pam. With swings, said Will. And slides, said Jill. Oh, that looks like fun. Let's play, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They're playing at the park. To the beach, said Sam. Which way, said Pam. Left, said Will. Right, said Jill. Lost, sighed Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They don't know which way is the beach. They pedaled up, they pedaled down. They looked for beach signs all around. They pedaled under, they pedaled over, they pedaled in a field of clover. Picnic, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sandwich, said Sam. Pasta, said Pam. Pickles, said Will. Burp, said Jill. Nap time, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They slept past 1. They slept past 2. They slept past 3. They slept past 4. Wow, they must have been tired. Let's go, said Sam. But where, said Pam. Over there, said Will. That hill, said Jill. Push, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They have to push their bike because it's too hard to go up that hill. But there's a sign, and the sign says beach this way. Sand, said Sam. Water, said Pam. Waves, said Will. Gulls, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. No umbrellas, said Sam. No snack bar, said Pam. No chairs, said Will. No people, said Jill. No sun, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They slept so long that the sun went down. This is the moon coming up. Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill looked up. Then Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill smiled. They're smiling. And they swam by the light of the moon. I like that story. Those alligators are so silly. They are swimming in the beach by the light of the moon. Well, they look like they're having a lot of fun. The end.
Let's sing It's a Lovely Day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day, the sun is shining, it's a lovely day. It's a lovely day, it's a lovely day, the sun is shining, it's a lovely day.
It's Miss Cindy again. Did you enjoy our book about the beach day? I hope you have a fun beach day. Or maybe a beach night. Bye-bye.